Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a very simple PHP program that will display the current date on our web page. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much for my new and present subscribers of my channel. I really appreciate your support with my channel. Thank you very much guys. I hope that every time that I have a tutorial video, we will learn something new. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. I am here in my Visual Code IDE, so we can start writing the code. HTML head. Next we can have the title. The title of our code is current date in PHP. Next we close the tag with the title, close the head. What will follow is the body. Next, question mark PHP. So we can have here echo header 2, let's say, and then we can follow echo date, open parenthesis, L, comma, F, D, S, Y, space, capital Y, dot, single quotation, and then we will close this one. And then we will close our script. After this, we will close our body tag slash HTML. After we have done, we will save our work. We go to File, Save As, select here PHP. We go to our local directory, we go to SAMP htdocs, and then we can create here, right click, folder, and then let's say for example date. We have to double click this one, and then we can write here index.php. With the use of our browser, okay, ask me later, localhost slash date. Okay, there is a mistake. File, save as, it should be index. Okay, so we can refresh. Okay, so we have already the date, current date in PHP. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, 2019. So here we go. We have already done writing a script using PHP as our programming language to display the current date. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.